So you just got this new job, right? And it required you to move to Japan. But part of the job requirement is that you must not learn Japanese. What is this job?
Well, I cannot learn the languages spoken in Japan. Wow, that's horrible. And what should I do? Perhaps I should speak to someone who do not speak Japanese. Well, perhaps do train animals, speak with dog, but I also cannot speak the language of dogs speak. Okay, that's a problem. And what's my next choice? Well, perhaps do something like proofreading English or something. Wow, that's boring. Okay. And anything else? Perhaps teach Chinese. Well, but they even don't know Chinese, and I cannot speak Japanese. Perhaps I can teach the people speak English in Japan, Chinese. Wow, that might be a good job. And okay, I think that will make lots of money.